Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemTask, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Facile Things properly, step by step, using the getting things done method, the way that it's actually intended. This isn't a surface level tool. The goal is to help you understand why Facile Things work the way it does, and how to avoid the mistakes that stop most people from sticking with getting things done or GTD tools. What is GTD or getting things done alignment? Facile Things is built very tightly around getting things done. That's important because this tool assumes you'll follow the GTD flow. That flow is capture, clarify, organize, review or reflect, and engage or do. If you try to treat Facile Things like a simple to-do list, it'll feel heavy and slow. But if you respect the GTD structure, everything starts to make sense. Facile Things separates thinking from doing. You don't decide what to do while you're working. You actually decide before, during, clarification, and review. So the inbox or the capture section is where everything goes first. No exceptions. Let's put something simple in there. Complete task. Great, it's been added. In here, you input all of your ideas, tasks, reminders, even half-formed thoughts. Dump everything right here. So at this stage, you don't worry about dates yet, or priorities, or even categories. Just capture and move on. This is one of the biggest strengths of Facile Things. It removes friction and keeps your brain clear while you're working or thinking. Now, to clarify tasks. Clarifying is where a lot of people skip and where getting things done actually works. So for each inbox item, you will ask, is this actionable? If yes, you will choose the next physical action. I will do it. Someone else, done in 2 minutes, I will say, I will do it. If not, you can go, doesn't need to be clarified later. Is this just interesting info? Or this is nothing, which will delete it. So I will go, in this case, yes, I will do it. Fantastic. So Facile Things forces this thinking step, which can feel slower at first, but it does save time later. You're not deciding when to do something here. You're just deciding what it actually is. Next, we're going to organize into lists. So once you've clarified, tasks will move into lists and into the right buckets. Contexts, projects, waiting for, maybe even someday or maybe. This is where Facile Things really shines for people who like structure. Everything here has a home. Nothing floats around without context. When you're working, you're not scanning a giant task list. You're choosing from a filtered and relevant set of actions. Next, we're going to look at the reflect or the review section, weekly review. The weekly review is the backbone of getting things done, and Facile Things takes this quite seriously. During your review, you will empty your inbox, check your project lists, and update your next actions. You can also clean up waiting items. And this is really where your system resets. If Facile Things ever feels overwhelming, it usually means reviews are being skipped. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. LemTask keeps the getting things done thinking and going. It keeps the same core idea. It's got a clear picture, it's got a clear next step, an action to complete, and it's got a regular view. But this reduces friction for teams and individuals who really want a faster setup, a simpler structure, and less cognitive overhead. LemTask works well if you want getting things done principles without really heavy processes. Facile Things is excellent if you want pure getting things done processes. So if you want a full tool that fully commits to the getting things done framework, Facile Things does that very well, as long as you follow the process. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.